The question is, what are pitfalls of writing real estate love letters? Let's face it, real estate is competitive. Buyers and renters seek any advantage to stand out from the crowd. Some think writing personal letters about what they or their family love about a property is a great way to stand out. Consider a scenario like a letter stating how the family might enjoy a Christmas tree near the fireplace. While this might sound harmless, it creates a potential for fair housing violation by expressing religion and or familial status. Let me share 5 ways real estate love letters might cause problems. The love letter may contain personal information about the buyer or renter, like their race, religion, familial status, or other protected class demographics. Property owners may unintentionally use this information to discriminate against certain buyers or renters. This may result in legal trouble. Buyers may face risk when writing real estate love letters, especially if they embellish or misrepresent their intentions or financial situation. Sellers may be swayed by promises of future renovations, commitments to maintain the property's character, or even assurances of financial stability. If these promises are not upheld after the sale, it could lead to disputes and damaged relationships between buyers and sellers. From a seller's perspective, accepting or rejecting an offer based on a love letter could open them up to legal liability. If a buyer feels they were discriminated against or treated unfairly due to factors disclosed in their love letter, they may pursue legal action against the seller. Even if the seller's decision was not motivated by discrimination, the perception of bias could result in costly litigation. Real estate love letters can also cause emotional influence on sellers. It could cloud their judgment and lead them to make decisions based on sentiment rather than objective criteria. Real estate professionals have ethical considerations to consider when dealing with love letters. We must ensure that all parties are treated fairly and that their actions comply with fair housing laws and industry standards. So while real estate love letters may seem like a good way to connect with sellers and write strong offers, they could cause a risk or some sort of pitfall for both the buyers and the sellers. When submitting offers, buyers and sellers can focus on objective criteria like price, financing terms, or property conditions. Before you leave, like or subscribe to know when I add more videos. Tell me if you have questions or video ideas. Make it a great day.